It's after 7 p.m. It looks brighter in the phone, in the video, than it does actually. It's darker, but it seems brighter in the video. And cicadas. Hope that sound is coming out. They've been starting to shrill in the evenings, the cicadas. They sound very soothing. Nice. I like them. They're in the tree. They're in the mesquite tree. Wow. Beautiful. Haven't heard them in a while. Glad they're back. Cool. And what's left of the daylight, the sunset. How pretty. So pretty. Some clouds over there. So pretty. Doesn't look as orange as it does in the video though. It's more yellow. And the blue isn't as blue either. It's like a pale blue, but it looks really bright in the video for some reason. And there's some pink there, but it's not pink. That's just how it's coming out. Cool. Those are my lights. The color changing lights. Yeah. Cool. I can still hear the cicadas. Nice. So pretty. Let's go back and hear the cicadas again one more time. They sound so peaceful. And that's it.